Dear friends, welcome back to InfraMechanizer. In today's video, we're diving into recommended reply for how do you ensure that routine maintenance doesn't disrupt project timelines. Answers. Balancing routine maintenance with project deadlines can feel like a juggling act, but it doesn't have to slow you down. In this video, I'll share practical tips on how to schedule maintenance without interrupting your workflow, so you can keep your projects on time and your equipment in top condition. Here's how to achieve this. 1. Collaborative planning. Coordinate with project managers. Before scheduling maintenance, communicate with project leaders to understand critical project timelines and equipment needs. Align maintenance plans around peak project phases to avoid taking essential equipment offline when it's most needed. B. Integrate maintenance into project planning. During project planning, factor in maintenance windows based on expected equipment usage and workload. This ensures equipment is serviced during natural project pauses or lower demand periods. C. Forecast equipment requirements. If possible, project the demand for each piece of machinery in advance. This allows you to schedule maintenance during times when specific equipment is not critical to operations. 2. Use off-peak periods for maintenance. Schedule maintenance during low-demand times. Plan routine maintenance during weekends, nights, or shift changes when equipment usage is low. For instance, heavy machinery can be serviced after daily shifts or during planned breaks in the workweek. B. Leverage off-seasons. If your project has seasonal fluctuations, e.g., during winter or rainy seasons, use this time for comprehensive servicing of machinery that will be heavily used during peak construction periods. 3. Stagger maintenance schedules. Distribute maintenance across the fleet. Avoid scheduling multiple critical pieces of equipment for maintenance at the same time. By staggering service intervals, you reduce the risk of having several machines unavailable simultaneously, ensuring continuity of operations. B. Group similar machines together. If your fleet has backup units or multiple machines of the same type, you can schedule maintenance for one machine while keeping others operational. This ensures the overall project isn't delayed due to equipment downtime. 4. Leverage predictive maintenance. Utilize telematics and condition monitoring. Predictive maintenance uses real-time data to anticipate when equipment will need servicing. By using telematics systems, you can track machine health and address issues before they become critical, avoiding unplanned downtime. B. Monitor key performance indicators, KPIs. Use performance data to predict when components or systems may fail, allowing you to schedule preventive maintenance before equipment failure impacts the project. 5. Implement mobile maintenance solutions. On-site maintenance teams. Deploy mobile maintenance crews to service machinery on-site without having to transport equipment to workshops. This minimizes downtime and keeps machines near the work area. D. Field service trucks. Equip maintenance personnel with mobile workshops, trucks or trailers, that carry essential tools and parts, allowing for quick servicing or minor repairs in the field, further reducing downtime. 6. Maintain backup and redundant equipment. Fleet redundancy. Keep backup machinery on standby, especially for critical equipment, to ensure that operations continue even when a primary unit is down for maintenance. B. Cross-utilization of equipment. If specific machinery is scheduled for maintenance, plan to use similar equipment to cover the job temporarily. For example, if an excavator is unavailable, a smaller or larger model might be repurposed for the task. 7. Implement fast-track maintenance. Pre-scheduled minor servicing. Regular but brief checks such as lubrication, fluid top-ups, or tire pressure checks can be scheduled during breaks or shift changes. These are quick tasks that don't require extensive downtime. D. Preemptive parts replacement. Replace critical components like filters, belts, or fluids in advance, rather than waiting for end-of-life failures. This prevents longer downtime from unexpected breakdowns. 8. Efficient parts and resource management. Maintain inventory of critical parts. Ensure commonly used parts and consumables, e.g., filters, fluids, belts, are stocked and readily available. This reduces the time needed to source parts when maintenance is due. B. Ensure technician availability. Have well-trained maintenance staff available during peak periods to address any issues promptly. This minimizes the need for emergency external service calls that could lead to delays. 9. Communicate maintenance windows. Advanced notification to operators. Notify operators and project teams well in advance about scheduled maintenance so that they can plan accordingly. This allows for efficient planning of alternate work during downtime. B. Develop contingency plans. Prepare for unexpected issues during maintenance, such as delays in repairs or unavailable parts. Having contingency plans, such as rerouting work to other machines or reassigning labor, helps keep the project on track. 10. Track and review maintenance data. Use CMMS, Computerized Maintenance Management System. A CMMS helps track maintenance schedules, equipment condition, and repair history, ensuring maintenance is planned ahead of time and disruptions are minimized. B. Adjust based on equipment history. Use historical data on past breakdowns and maintenance patterns to adjust future maintenance schedules, ensuring that servicing is done before equipment failure impacts the project. By proactively coordinating with stakeholders, leveraging predictive technologies, and being flexible with scheduling, you can minimize the impact of routine maintenance on project timelines and ensure seamless operations. Friends, effective maintenance planning is key to staying on schedule and keeping your machines running smoothly. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know how you manage maintenance without disrupting your timelines in the comments below. Let's keep projects moving efficiently.